Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Naseko Paps, and today I'm bringing you another item. It's a MIKA Air Fryer. Let me show you how it look. So this is the MIKA Air Fryer. Inakaa hivi. I've had it for quite some months now. I think I've had it for about 6 months. And you know, I only bring you items that I've already used and tested and know how they work. So let me show you how the air fryer works. So first I'll switch on. When you switch it on, you switch your socket on. This is the display that it displays on the screen. It's a touch screen, or I don't know what to say, but it's touch. So how you operate it, you can see it has different settings. We have here chicken wings. Yeah, we have all these settings. So, and we have this button over here. It's a menu. When you press it, it will display the steam art. So the steam art, the fry art, the degrees. This is the degrees, minus or plus. You want to add or you want to reduce. And then we have the play button. It's when what you're cooking, you start cooking. So to start with the steam art, when you are doing the steam art, it's when you are steaming like sweet potatoes. You can see it has a display for sweet potatoes over here, and anything that you want to steam. For me, I've steamed sweet potatoes, I've steamed ndoma, I've steamed cassava. What else have I steamed? Anything you want to steam, you can steam with it. So, and we have this one, the steam art. It's written, remember to add water when using steam art function. So this is where you add your water. You can see it has measurements. It's easy to open. Unafungua tu hapa. You put your water. It has some measurements over here. That's where you put your water depending on what you are steaming, and it will always alert you when the water is almost over and something like that. So that's where you put your water and unairudisha hapo for the steam art. You close it. So that's the steam art function. So let's check the inside of this air fryer. You can see it's for MIKA. So this is the press button. When you press, it now open like that. So we have this fan over here. Ndio joto I think kutoka, and then we have this part, the bowl part. And the good thing about this bowl part is it's detachable. So whatever you are cooking, ukimaliza kupika, you can detach it like this, and then you remove what you want to cook. You can see this part has been left empty. So, and then we have this other part. Mostly I use this part when I'm cooking, but it's not a must you use it, but it's recommended to use it. And it's also detachable like this for easy maneuvering and washing. So you can also detach this part ukimaliza kupika, and then you return it like that. So that it's about the inside. So the thing that makes me love this air fryer, it's when you're cooking. Let me show you. So when you're using the air fryer, you have to choose the setting that you want, and the best part is when the food is cooking, you see the food over here. It lights up over here. Let me show you an example. Let's say you are frying maybe fries. You have this setting over here. So you come here at the menu. When you press the menu, you see this one is, when you press it again, inasonga mbele as you choose another function. So let's go up to fries. So I press again. You see it has moved again. So it's here at fries. So maybe you want to use degrees of 180, maybe I'm at 200. It goes up to 220 I think. So you press the degrees over here. You can see it's 180. Then we add, yeah, it goes up to 200 degrees. Then maybe you want to choose time. You have it automatically at 27 at degrees. So if you want to add time, you go to this plus sign over here, you continue adding. You can see 30, 38, 39, 40 inaongezeka. When you want to reduce it, you are like this. So I want to reduce it to 1 minute, because you can even preheat it for like 1 minute or 2. I want to reduce it to 1 minute so that I can show you how the food cooks, how it lights up. So after I set my 1 minute at 200 degrees Celsius, I press the play button like this. You can see it has already lighten up over here. So when you are cooking, you will see your food over here inawaka. You see your food cooking, and you can see imeanza kuguruma, so it's getting hot. So that's how you see your food while it's cooking, inawaka kwa hii. This is a mirror kio transparent iko hapa, so inawaka hapa, unaona your food ikipika. And because this is a one way air fryer, so when the food is halfway done, maybe you have put the time to maybe 10 minutes. After the food is done for 15 minutes, it will alert you, inaanzanga kulia. It will alert you so that you can unapindua food yako, so that you upindue food even the other side, but pia ina depend on what it cooks. So about hii kuwaka inawakanga for like a minute, inaacha, then when it's kulia hivyo. So that's the MIKA Air Fryer. Inakaa hivi. Maybe if you are interested in this air fryer, sasa unaweza buy. It's a good one. I've used it for 6 months now. Naweza sema ni kitu mzuri. I can't say ati it's not a good air fryer. You can buy one, ujaribu uone ama utaipenda. So that's my son, ako kwa dirisha kwa naangalia chenye nafanya. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel as I bring you more and more kitchen gadgets. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. See you on my next video.